What a drop and rejection on support here on the SPY. If this is your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So the SPY rejected off the key level we were watching in yesterday's video. I have it plotted here at the 557 level it needed to hold, and it broke through it, and a bear indicator popped up at 11:15 a.m. It was sent over directly to our Discord, and it did not get canceled till 2:15 p.m. and that was a pretty strong bear indicator that lasted from up here at 556 all the way down to the lows here of 549, guys. Put options went up over 120% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, and join the members using 42 Vision, being connected over to our bots, and gaining that edge within the volatility of the markets and these charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators and our bots, and it's in the top pinned comment as well. We look forward to getting you connected, having you join us, and with 42 Vision, you can more clearly see the strength and weaknesses within the charts, and as well as the strong supports and resistance. Now, here we are with some volatility and a bear indicator on the 5-minute, but the bear indicator that was holding up pretty strong since yesterday is the 30-minute bear indicator here at the 560 level that needed to get canceled, and as it was jumping back up, it never got a bull indicator, and that was something to watch, and it was fighting and struggling here to hold 557. If that broke, our next support was the previous support of 554 that held yesterday. It broke through it and then all the way down to 550, and here we are trying to hold up above it and pushing down towards it and rejecting here sharply the 552 level. Now, when we look at these charts, we're going to break down the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, but we can also see here a full transition on 42 Vision from the rip area of bright green bars to the dip area, as I call it, of white with red borders. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies. And we also use our bull and bear indicators as extra layers of confirmation with our inflow versus outflow, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY under a bear indicator and trying to bounce back up away from 550 and hitting 552 in the after hours. And this is going to continue being a critical area of resistance now, 557, right? And it's not just the 30-minute. When you come out to the 1 hour bear indicator here, and then also on the 4 hour, it continues since up here at 609. We've broken this down in previous videos. And then also the 1 day continuing under a bear indicator and multiple dip areas getting hit and support areas that are crucial. If 550 got broken through with significance, which it did break slightly below it, the next level of support is down here at 540 and the 545 area. Those are critical levels to the downside if this weakness were to continue. And why is this bear indicator dominating? Well, it has not switched on any of the jumps back up. No bull indicator has popped up like we saw in the previous times that the bull indicator dominated. When it would pull back, every single time it found support, it would retest the resistance because no bear indicator popped up. And same thing with this bear indicator up here at 606. Since those drops would happen, it would try to pop back up to test resistance and it would reject and test support again because no bull indicator popped up. And this is one of the strongest bear indicators that we've seen since the bull indicator back here in August of last year at the 531 level. And it did not get canceled till up here near the 580 level. And quickly that was canceled with another bull indicator that lasted to test the all-time highs. So this is one of the strongest bear indicators on the 1 day. And you still have 1 day left for this 1 week bear indicator to close and confirm, guys. This is the first one that pops up since down here at 538, and you can see how it was used as support before running up to continue the trend. And this is where 42 Vision gives us that edge to see the strong areas of support and resistance and where the trend and strength lies. And right now, it seems like it's shifting. It has 23 hours to go for this bear indicator to close and confirm, and it is something to not ignore because there are support levels to be tested and reached if this weakness were to continue. And you have the 1 day following it, you have the 4 hour following it, and you also have lower time frames like the 1 hour back under a bear indicator here in the volatility. So any jump back up is not justifiable until we see the 4 hour and the 1 day start moving. And then also, if we were to jump back up, let's say in the bigger picture on the 1 week, we're under a bear indicator. As long as we don't get back above 590 and there's no strong bull indicator in the bigger picture, we can reject just like it did on the 1 day, the times it tried to go ahead and come back up when it was under a bear indicator from 606 and it hit the lows of 575. So that is something to keep in mind. Now I'm going to break down the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow because this is crucial as we've hit key support levels. So we could see here with the outflows, the inflow versus outflow, the outflows dominating here up at the 557 to 558, 559 level. That was the largest outflows in the middle of the day, followed by a bear indicator, double confirmation, and that weakness lasted all day, guys. And now that is a crucial resistance that needs to be tested and broken through. And we're trying to push back up here. And on the 5 minute, it's under a bear indicator at 552.30. I will be watching if a bull indicator can pop up and roll over into the 15 minute as well. And that 557 level is a crucial resistance. So our first support to not ignore is 550. And our crucial resistance is 557. Before getting there, there was a sharp rejection here 2 times in the day at 554.50. If you want to round that up to 555, you can. And it's trying to push up here in the after hours to get over 553. But once it gets over 555, 557 is the most crucial resistance based off those outflows. You can even see it here on the 30-minute outflows dominating. Now, if you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description to our 42 Vision indicators, our inflow versus outflow, and our bots. And join the members using 42 Vision to maximize within the volatility and be able to see more clearly the trends and the strength of supports and resistance. Check out the link down below. We look forward to getting you connected. And as always, guys, let's make some money.